I want to show you this. It's called a wind chime, and as the wind blows, or you hit it, this middle circle thing here hits the chimes, which causes sound to come through. Each chime is hollow. Each chime is cut to produce a different pitch or note. Wind chimes can be made with hollow wood, metal, or plastic. Each medium creates a different tone. The smaller the chimes, the higher the note. The bigger the chimes, the lower the note. Isn't it nice? Da-da-da.
Music Match with JAQ.
Did you know that you can make instruments at home? Since I've been out here with nothing, I've been making some instruments of my own. I'm gonna show you guys a few, okay? First up is the classic box string instrument. Pretty much, I got strings, and I only used 3 because there were only 3 different types of strings. And I put it around the box. And the tighter the string is around the box, the higher the note. So listen. Now, if this string was a little tighter, listen. So the tighter the string, the higher the note. You want a good sized box, but you don't want the strings to pop. So this is a good sized box, I think, because it was able to amplify the sound. You could hear it. Now, I don't like the way this sounded. Now it tightened up a little bit. Better. Nah. Nah. There we go. Oh no, I lost you. I could be doing this all day. Our string instrument's here, and this is our wind instrument. Okay? I just fill it up with a little bit of water. Depending on how much water you put in, it tells you what the sound's gonna be like. So, it takes a little while. I can't do it today. I don't know why. There we go. Less water. I'm not doing good. Let's pretend like that worked. Sometimes you can produce a really good sound. I also have a plastic bottle. Or not. Less water. There we go. It's a little loud and annoying, but why not? Annoy your friends, annoy your family. So we just did string instruments. We did wind instruments. Okay, next on the list is percussion. So I have 3 different types of foods: corn, kernels, rice, and beans. I have a wood box, a plastic container, and Quaker oats, but there's nothing in there. We're gonna start with the beans. Got my wood box. We're gonna use a good number. Shaker. Let's see how it sounds in the plastic. A little harsher. And what about in the Quaker Oats box? I don't know why cardboard sounds so good. The bigger the box, deeper the sounds. What do you guys think? Which one is going to sound better? This is going to give you a subtler sound. Let's go with the plastic. Rice in the plastic. Rice in the plastic. Rice in the plastic. This is like a real shaker. If you want a real shaker, you gotta use rice. Last but not least, Quaker. And also ask your parents before you start using their food, please. That's crazy. That sounds just like my shaker at home. So if you want more of an abrasive, like ow, 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 then yeah, beans. If you want something subtler, rice. Something tells me that the kernels are going to be somewhere in the middle. Let's see. Kernels. kernels in plastic. And the kernels in Quaker. What do you think? For me personally, I like the rice because it was a subtler sound. And when I am using instruments for music, usually it's an acoustic song. And so usually I kind of don't want all of the extra. I would rather just a nice little settler. So I would probably, when I make my percussion shakers, I would probably use rice. What about you? Which one did you like better? What's your shaker preference? Okay, we did a string instrument, wind instrument, and we also did these, which is percussion. I guess the only thing I didn't get to do today was brass instruments because I don't have brass anything. I'm sorry. But so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time on Music Matters with JAQ. I'm JAQ. That's Trouble. You are amazing. God bless.